We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Kawaii Girl Cave Metal Sign by Aowotu. This decorative piece is designed for teenagers and young adults looking to add a touch of personality and charm to their bedrooms, bathrooms, or gaming spaces. If you already own this item, don't forget to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's start with the features that users appreciate most. The sign is crafted from tin, which is both lightweight and durable. It's described as harmless and resistant to rust and fading, making it suitable for long-term use. The UV-resistant graphics ensure that the vibrant pink tones and playful girl cave lettering remain intact even when exposed to sunlight or other harsh conditions. Many reviewers highlight how easy it is to install thanks to the 4 pre-drilled corners. Whether you prefer hanging it with nails or sticking it to the wall using the included double-sided tape, this sign offers flexibility without causing damage to your walls. The design itself receives praise for its aesthetic appeal. The girly theme and vintage-inspired look make it a standout piece for decorating spaces like bedrooms, bathrooms, dining areas, or even bars and restaurants. Its folded edges enhance safety and stability, which is particularly appreciated by parents purchasing this item for their teenagers. The sign's dimensions, 12 inches by 8 inches, are considered ideal for fitting into various spaces without overwhelming the decor. However, not all feedback is glowing. Some users feel that the sign's lightweight nature makes it prone to bending if not handled carefully during installation or cleaning. While the tin material is durable in terms of rust resistance, it may not withstand significant physical impact. Additionally, a few buyers mentioned that the included double-sided tape might lose its adhesive strength over time, requiring replacement or alternative mounting solutions. Another point of contention is its price-to-value ratio. While many appreciate its unique design and durability, others feel that similar decorative signs are available at lower prices with comparable quality. The product's ranking on Amazon, #57, 497 in decorative signs and plaques, suggests that it's not among the top sellers in its category, which could be attributed to these mixed opinions. In terms of usability, this sign shines as a versatile decor item. It's perfect for creating a personalized space that reflects individual tastes and interests. Whether you're a gamer looking to spruce up your room or a teenager wanting to make your space more inviting, this sign adds character without requiring extensive effort or investment. Overall impressions of the Kawaii Girl Cave Metal Sign are largely positive but nuanced. It excels in aesthetic appeal and ease of installation but falls slightly short in terms of material robustness and adhesive reliability. If you're seeking a decorative piece that combines style with practicality, this sign could be a great addition to your space. However, if durability under physical stress is a priority for you, consider exploring other options within the same price range. The link to this product is in the description. Using it supports our channel. And remember, if you've tried this item yourself, share your thoughts below to help others decide whether it's right for them.